Feel free to pause and check out the key vocabulary on screen.
Part 1. The Secrets Beneath the Soil. A group of students studying archaeology and anthropology joined an excavation site in a remote desert where they discovered a fossil near an ancient artifact. It was a prehistoric village once inhabited by indigenous people, whose stories had survived through oral tradition. Inside the cave, they found walls covered in hieroglyphs and pictographs, evidence of a thriving tribal society. This discovery became a vital piece of cultural heritage and was recorded in a new historical narrative. The students realized they were witnessing the colonial legacy that had reshaped many regions, disrupting dynasties and destroying old ways of life.
Part 2. The Journey of Civilization. Historians often use a detailed timeline to trace the origin of early civilizations. Old manuscripts and chronicles help us record history and understand how human societies formed their beliefs and systems. From small settlements to great empires, every step helps us shape human civilization. Nomads, for example, led a nomadic life and contributed to the spread of knowledge across regions. Scholars continue to study human evolution by analyzing ancient texts and comparing cultural patterns.
Part 3. Traditions that last. Elders in many cultures still pass down traditions from generation to generation. Through these customs, societies preserve ancient culture and reconstruct the past. Some of these practices have stood the test of time, reflecting values that continue to influence modern society. Historians always seek to uncover hidden truths within artifacts, scripts, and legends.
Part 4. Echoes of the Past. Sometimes we dig up the past through old letters or stories. A childhood memory or an old photo might feel like a blast from the past. Wars, movements, and revolutions have made history, shaping the course of nations. But not everything from the past is written in stone. We can reflect, forgive, and even bury the hatchet. Through time, we understand the sands of time never stop, yet some still live to tell the tale. Part 5. From Ancient to Now. At the dawn of civilization, humanity began recording beliefs and building cities. Now we seek ways to connect ancient knowledge with today's challenges. Even though time passes, some leaders try to turn back the clock to revive lost values. Whether we move forward or look back, the key is to learn from the past and apply its wisdom wisely.